Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping incoming transfers right now. Pull down the control center on a Face ID iPhone or swipe up on older models. Press and hold the network card until icons expand. Tap Airdrop and set receiving off. This immediately blocks others from sending files, which is faster than changing sharing permissions later. Once done, Airdrop won't appear as an available target for nearby devices. Make sure to do this whenever you enter public places to avoid unsolicited content. Once Control Center is set, verify the system setting for consistency. Open Settings, go to General, then Airdrop, and confirm receiving off. If you prefer limited sharing, change it to contacts only so only known contacts can send. This prevents anyone else from scanning your device. Also, enable a focus or do not disturb profile when in crowds, because focus can suppress Airdrop visibility. Similarly, turning off personal hotspot reduces discovery. These steps reinforce control over who can attempt to share. To complete the process, reboot your iPhone to clear lingering discovery caches and recheck Control Center after the restart. If Airdrop still shows as available, sign out of iCloud temporarily or remove suspicious contacts. Sometimes contact card issues re-enable visibility. Make sure your iOS is up to date, because updates often patch Airdrop behavior. Troubleshooting tip: if unexpected transfers continue, a full network settings reset usually clears paired Bluetooth/Wi-Fi entries that enable Airdrop discovery. Use it as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.